Hi, Friday evening today. So, a big good evening to every one of you. And in places where you have just started your day, well, good morning, good afternoon, and let's pray that we all have a lovely weekend, right or wrong? Yes. While we are live today, let me quickly introduce myself and what we do. My name is Khyati Rupani, and we have online weight loss programs for thyroid also, for cancer management also, for uric acid also. And today what has made me extremely happy is we have a case, and that case is a 78-year-old. A 78-year-old who has lost more than 10 kgs with us. Okay, she is someone who has I think cholesterol medicines are 0 after 3 months of being on the online diet program. You know, cholesterol is 0. Blood pressure medications are half. Auntie is now Mehta Ben, as I like to call her. She is now walking. She is enjoying herself, and she has today sent a heartful message with a lot of thank you. So I am very happy this weekend. And now what I want you to know, in fact all of you, is that today's topic of discussion is going to be me asking you 4 questions. Okay, and all you have to do is write in the comments whether that is for you or that is not for you. Okay, so it's a quiz time today, quiz time with Khyati, and here is where I am going to ask you 4 questions. Shall we start? Yes. Hi Megha, hi Sangeeta, hi Parvati, all of you who are watching. Tina, yes. Shruti is watching. A lot of people who are watching. Okay, I think we are enough people now to start. Yeah, Dimple, yes, you will answer. Okay, now I'm going to ask you question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is, how many of you, okay, start panting after climbing 2 floors? The 3rd floor becomes a task, you know. So first floor chad gaya, second floor chad gaya, but while it is floor number 3, yes, breathe high. Why don't you answer, all of you? If you are someone who starts panting or speed reduces floor number 3, yeah, see, a lot of them are saying me. Savrit, you also. Wow, very good. 3rd floor and we start panting. Okay, yes, Wimple, you also. Okay, mind, body, soul, you also. So I think from all of you who are watching, I can easily say 60% of you, and all of you are young. Bhai, aap log Instagram pe ho, Facebook pe ho, right? Shru also is saying yes, me. So all of you, okay, here are telling me that you all start panting and it becomes difficult for you guys to, climb the 4th floor without panting. Okay, yeah, Aman is also saying, right, yes, Sangeeta also saying yes. So now that is, okay, just note down that you have said yes to this. Now, my second question to all of you is, how many of you get tired by 8 p.m. during the day? How many of you feel, oh God, now do not call me to play a game of badminton, do not call me to niche jana hai, chalna hai 2 kilometer, we are going for a walk, we are going down in the compound, or anything little strenuous, if you all feel that. So how many of you feel tired after 8 p.m. in the evening? 8 p.m. in the evening after, okay, no tiredness. Good, Wimple. Oh wow. So 8 p.m. tiredness, anyone? Right, I hope you all are noting down the answers. Okay, very good. Very good. So I can see, yeah, Smita feels tired after 8. Okay. Shweta also says that she's feeling tired. Okay. Okay, so here this is, I could say, a 50-50. 50% of you are feeling tired after 8 o'clock. 50% of you are not feeling tired sometimes. Okay, my third question. Okay, no, Megha says not me. Very good. Divya says me. Very good. Divya, what about the first question? You get tired after climbing three floors? Yeah, 3 floors and then you're panting, tired. Okay, I'm getting all your answers. Yes, yes, very good. Now question number 3. How many of you have a layer of fat around the belly? You may be overweight, you may be thin, but how many of you have a belly that is a little protruding? Me. Still, after losing 42 kilos also. How many of you have a protruding belly? पेट थोड़ा बाहर निकल रहा है. Yeah, right. Okay. So this is the answer. Question number 1 I asked you guys was, how many of you get tired after climbing 2 floors and are not able to do floor number 3? Now the second question is, how many of you get tired after 8? And the third one is, how many of you have a protruding belly? Savreet, I was looking forward to having you do post-pregnancy weight loss. I don't know what you're waiting for. Mermaid says she has 2 big tires. I know, Megha says it looks pathetic. Correct, correct. Okay. Perfect. I think let me not go to question number 4, as most of us are falling in these 3 categories. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you an explanation for all 3 and I'm going to tell you कि क्या हो रहा है, what is happening with you because of this situation. ठीक है? For all those who are climbing, okay, 2 floors and feel breathless after floor number 3, okay, you are someone who is not having a healthy cardiac rhythm. आप भले ही 30 साल के हो, आप 40 के हो, आप 45 के हो, whatever your age is, your cardiac fitness, okay, your aerobic fitness is not very good. Okay, this could be due to 2 reasons. Reason number 1, you are very less physically active throughout the day. And reason number 2, of course, is you are not having enough fiber in the day. There is a close connection between you not being able to climb up and fiber. ओके अगर आप वाइट राइस खा रहे हो, अगर आप थिन मतलब पतला आटा, मैदा और वेरी वेरी थिन आटे की रोटी, मतलब यू नो द फाइन आटास, if you are eating that kind of a roti, if you are eating vegetables which are pureed, if you are eating a low fiber diet, अगर आपके खाने में no fiber, there's no salad, there's no vegetable, if you don't eat your millets, right? Savreet is saying she has asthma. Savreet, that becomes a medical condition. I am asking for a very healthy person, okay? So if you are not eating fiber in your diet, you need to start eating fiber right away. The easiest way to include fiber, can I tell y'all? Will y'all at least do fiber and will y'all start building up your aerobic strength and stamina? Only then I'm giving, because all of you are saying yes, 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 right? So the first thing you have to do to increase your fiber content in the day is, अभी के लिए season में there is pear, there is peach and there is apple. These 3 fruits में से have 1 fruit a day daily. Okay, 1 fruit a day. It could be an apple, it could be a pear, or it could be a plum, peach, whatever comes in your hand. So you will make sure you do that. Second, you have to make sure you are giving me 1 bowl of salad in your diet. Now that salad could be made using corn, capsicum. That salad could be made using corn, using capsicum, using pudina, using kakdi, using tomato, using lime, using anything. Okay, whatever is available at home, but I want you all to start these 2 foods immediately in your diet right away. Whether you are overweight, whether you are underweight, these 2 things are a must, and I want you to start increasing your strength. Okay, the risk factors for this are, you will be having weight issues, you will be having otherwise cholesterol issues, you will be having high LDL and other such issues. So I hope this part is clear. Yeah, correct? Now there's no one who's saying yes and no and all. Huh? Now when I'm giving tips, you have to say yes, 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 right? Okay, so now this is what we have to do as far as all those who are not able to climb steps is concerned. You have to regularly make sure that, just 1 minute. Yes, you have to regularly make sure that you are doing your bit when it comes to this. Now comes question number, Dhanya Sunil is asking, in this scenario, how to eat raw because of the virus. Dhanya, virus does not really come in the way of only raw food. आपको पता है अगर आप एक packaged food भी खा रहे हो and if that packaged food is not handled, you are going to be bound to having contact with that virus. Okay, so if you are washing your fruits very well, if you are washing your vegetables very well, because it is also extremely important कि आप अपनी immunity का ध्यान रखो, right? So at this point in time, the most important part is to make sure that your immunity is in place, and immunity is in place only with fresh fruits, fresh vegetables and a lot of spices. Indian spices, long, dalchini. The other day I made a nice tea out of it for all of you, right? Haldi, long, dalchini, and I had used pepper, okay, and I had put a little bit of honey in it too. So yes, you can easily have that. So all those who are panting, all those who are not those people who can climb stairs, you will now do the knee, right? Okay, so now comes question number 2, which I had asked. How many of you are tired after 8 p.m? Okay, quiet, Tishu, I'm doing a video. Let it be open. Yes, that was my 11-year-old who is not, you know. You want to say hi to everyone?
Hi everyone.
That is Trisha. She just played badminton and came. Social distance wali game hai na. So, can we, Lena is asking, can we eat mixed fruit salad? Of course you can eat mixed fruit salad. Apple, pear, peach bowl of salad, cucumber. Perfect. All these are fantastic items to eat. But अगर आप 2 दिन खाओगे और आपको लगेगा that आपकी cardiac fitness बढ़ने वाली है, then no, you have to make sure that you're doing it at least for 2 weeks, and then you take a call and take a look at your entire day. ठीक है? Now let me talk about, or now let me have the point number 2 that we spoke. That was who gets tired after 8 p.m. The sign of getting tired, okay, before your day is ending is a sign of having too much of simple carbs. Okay, this could mean your risk to developing high blood sugar or high blood pressure is a little on the higher side. Okay, so if this tiredness comes to you every single day, you will have to take a call on your diet. See how much sugar you are eating, knowingly or unknowingly. A lot of people, I had put up a post, it had yogurt, it had jam, it had Bonvita, it had coffee, it had that flavored Epigamia yogurts, it had ketchup, and I said these are the hidden sources, you know, ये सब sources है जहाँ से आपकी sugar आ जाती है जो आपको पता भी नहीं होता. And that is when they all realized, even biscuits के yes, sugar, oatmeal, आपको लगता है कि आप वो ready to eat strawberry flavored oats खा के आप कुछ healthy कर रहे हो, but the fact is no, it is not healthy because it has excess amount of sugar added in it. Okay, so you will have to see that part also. 8 p.m. के पहले या before your day ends, you are feeling extremely tired is something that we don't want. How to battle this now? Okay, you have to give me only 2 things in your diet. 1, 2 cups of green tea, and second, stay away from anything very high in sugar for at least 1 month. Okay, say even if you want or are you craving, आपको dessert की craving अगर हो रही है ना, so at that time what you do is you follow my 2-bite rule. Okay, I say that my favorite is, suppose I like salted caramel cake and I like black forest cake. So whenever I want to eat it, I eat 2 bites, okay, and my spoon first was the big tablespoon ke 2 bites, then it became teaspoon, and then it became now itnusa. So my 2 bites are also this much and I feel very satisfied. Okay, so now when it comes to those of you who are feeling extremely tired, okay, you can make sure that you don't have excess amount of sugar. थोड़ा वो कम कर दो. If you are knowingly or unknowingly eating rice and potato together, okay, that also leads to excess amount of sugar coming in the diet and then सीधा सीधा drop हो जाता है. So sugar dropping at this time in the day is not good. Understood, guys? Will you all do that for me? Okay, what was my third question? Let me see how many of you were paying attention. What was my third question? Third and last question that I asked all of you. No memory, anyone? I had asked and all of you had said yes, 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 right? So can I know what was the third question, anyone? Till then, I'll answer what Dhanya is writing. You know, Dhanya is saying that is brown sugar okay? So I'll tell you something. Brown sugar is just one step ahead of white sugar. पहले शुगर केन बनता है, शुगर केन से जैगरी बनती है, जैगरी से शुगर ब्राउन बनती है, ब्राउन होके पॉलिश होके व्हाइट बनती है. Calorie wise, brown sugar is absolutely okay. Yeah, mermaid nose, belly fat, mind, body, soul also. Yes, fat on the stomach, Smita also. Very good. So you all are all paying attention to me. Yes, Vishal. I'm doing a video. Can you just or come and say hi to them? Yes. So here is now, before I come to the belly fat, आपको brown sugar, calorie wise brown sugar is the same, honey is the same, jaggery is the same, everything is the same. So please आपको ऐसे, there is no sugar as healthy sugar, okay? There is no salt which is healthy salt, rock salt healthy, नहीं. सब sugar sweet ही होती है, सब sugar में calories होती है, and when we feel that jaggery is healthy, हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी लेते हैं, है ना? Now here someone is asking me that दोपहर का खाना खा के they feel very sleepy. Why? If you are having excess amount of refined food in your खाना, अगर आप आलू की सब्जी और ब्रेड ले रहे हो, अगर आप आलू सैंडविच ले रहे हो, अगर आप बिरयानी ले रहे हो, so if you are eating too much of white rice and too much of potato, if your roti is very thin, फुल्का वाली रोटी, आपका रोटी का आटा, if you are eating उपमा, so anything which raises your blood sugar very fast will make you sleep. Okay, now I have also a question on coconut sugar. Is coconut sugar good? No, my dear mermaid, coconut sugar also is not good because coconut sugar में भी एक ही problem है और वो problem यही है कि coconut sugar भी 1 teaspoon gives you 20 calories. So sugar कहीं से भी आए, okay, sugar ही होती है. All sugars have to be used very, very wisely. What is more preferable, red chili spice or chili flakes? See, chili on its own has capsaicin and capsaicin is fat burning. इसीलिए sometimes in my diet charts I give you all pepper powder in the morning, right or wrong? Okay, the pepper powder that I give you contains again capsaicin. काश मैं आप लोगों को chili powder दे पाती, but chili powder, noise is coming. Just don't sit inside, no. Put your AC on inside. Because too much noise will come, they won't be able to hear it. Yeah, I know, work from home. So yes, I was talking to you about chili. So anytime you are eating chilies, you will ensure that you are burning fat naturally. So my favorite is cinnamon, my favorite is also pepper powder, and my other favorite is sometimes giving you soup which have chilies. So both chili and chili flakes do their job, Vanshika, not a problem there at all. Someone had asked me one more question, उसके बाद I will tell you कि stomach protruding का क्या issue है, ठीक है ना? Feel sleepy हो गया? Anyone, any question? Stevia also, my dear, is only one and one problem. It is sugar and not sugar. So anytime you are having, let's say, नॉर्मल शुगर और नॉर्मल शुगर की क्रेविंग जो बॉडी में होती है उसको अगर आप आर्टिफिशियली कोई स्टीविया या कोई शुगर फ्री से मिक्स मैच करना चाहते हो, सो यू एंड अप ईटिंग मोर. ओके, क्रेविंग ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई से द 2 बाइट रूल हेल्प्स अ लॉट. स्टीविया इन फैक्ट विल लीड टू अ लिटिल मोर क्रेविंग फॉर रियल शुगर. ठीक है ना, सो थोड़ा अवॉइड कर लो. Now I have how to reduce aches and pains due to workload. Any foods that help? Dhanya, aches and pains can happen due to a lot of reasons, you know. कभी कभी aches and pains होते हैं because body fat ज़्यादा है. कभी कभी aches and pains होते हैं because your bone mass may be questionable if you are menopausal, if you are above 40. तो you know sometimes we get osteopenia या हमारा bone थोड़ा you know bone mass is not that good. Sometimes we have less muscle and more fat. उसकी वजह से भी aches and pains होते हैं. So if your aches and pains are continuing, I think we should check your weight first. पहले तो अगर weight है तो weight कम करते हैं. Second, we should eat food which is very rich in protein and calcium. Now you will ask me which food is rich in protein and calcium. A bowl of dahi is very rich in protein. Ragi roti is very rich in calcium. Ragi upma मेरे घर पे is a hot favorite. Okay, so we make sure that हम लोग रोटी में ये सब डाल के make a very very good healthy roti. Till sesame seeds, sometimes giving तड़का of sesame seeds. You know हम गुजराती तो ढोकला में मुठिया में sesame seeds का तड़का देते हैं because of the calcium requirement, and we have it with dahi. So we are taking care of the protein and calcium that way. Okay, many of your masalas contain khaskhas, many of your gravies contain til. So this is the reason of having a good system and calcium in your body. When it comes to protein, if you're a vegetarian, you can look at dals, you can look at pulses, you can look at, if you have milk and milk products, थोड़ा low fat वाला ले लो. पनीर अगर खा सकते हो ले लो. But if you're a South Indian, your rasam, your sambars, your pulse वाला एक dish, I forget the name, that will all do good. Okay, besan also, chillas made out of your pesarattu will do a good job for you. Right, now comes what is your opinion on lactobacillus paracasi? Does it help in the gut problem? Please do let me know. मीत, अगर आपको कोई gut problem है या issue of the gut है तो I will need to know what exactly it is, because there are lots of issues. किसी किसी को hyper acidity होती है, किसी किसी को IBS होता है, किसी किसी को constipation होता है. So it depends. There are n number of bacteria. You know, 3 million species of bacteria are found just in our intestine, each doing its job. Okay, lactobacillus याकुल्ट को थोड़ा you know market करना था अपने आप को, ये कर्ड वालों को अपने आप को market करना था. That is why the easiest available bacteria is that, and that is how lactobacillus came into the picture. So yes, there are 3 million types of bacteria in the gut. ठीक है ना. Nishrin is saying रात को एग खाना ठीक है क्या? Nishrin, see, given our surroundings right now, हम लोग लॉकडाउन में भी चल रहे हैं. Okay, so what I would say is that even if you're fit and even if you're healthy, egg yolk थोड़ा control करो, because egg yolk में जितना fat है, that 6 grams of fat and 300 mg cholesterol, अभी के लिए फिलहाल हमें किसी को ज़रूरत नहीं है, where we are not working out so much. So yesterday मेरे घर का dinner बताऊँ क्या था? We had egg white omelets, we had a toast, we had grilled tomatoes, and we had a salad. So I made sure that a raw vegetable salad was there. I made sure protein went in, and the egg white omelette also had capsicum, onion, chilies, tomatoes and olives. Okay, and the toast was just giving a little crisp. Hi Subhashri, kaisi hai? Now here there was one question, what to do with reflux? Sabri, if you are having a reflux disease, which means you need to seriously look at your khana. Acid reflux के दो ही reasons होते हैं. One is faulty food habits and the second one is stress. Okay, so faulty food habits, I will correct. Stress, we will both correct together. Even I need some stress busting. Okay, right. There was one very interesting question. We need a session on aches, pains and joints, foods and collagen. I think we will do that session. बहुत बड़ा है. Avocado also. See, एक दिन मैंने ना एक post करा था. That post was showing you, you know, an evening snack plate. एक evening snack में था mixed fruit bowl with 4 almonds and 2 cashew nuts. And दूसरे bowl में था an avocado toast, which is toast पे guacamole and nuts. Now both of them are healthy. ठीक है. My fruit वाला जो bowl था, fruit with nuts, had 250 calories. Okay, and the avocado had more than 400 calories. Healthy दोनों है. ठीक है. But calorie wise, the avocado had a lot more calories. So you have to understand the difference. You want to lose weight Okay, you have to then control your portion of healthy foods. हेल्दी के नाम पे हम एवोकाडो खा ले, हम हेल्दी चीज खा ले, सो उसकी भी कैलोरीज वी हैव टू मेंटेन. Okay, during a rainy day, is it advisable to have a raw salad? Why not, Meetu? Rainy day pe to what we need to take care of is you need to make sure you are not eating anything. Suppose if there is like a carrot or there is coriander or there is palak which is growing very close to the ground, okay, तब हम कभी कभी ये कर सकते हैं कि there you may find a worm attached to the roots, or you know it's not very very hygienic. Still I am a big fan of all of those, so I make sure that I'm cleaning them very well. तो अगर आप सैलड अच्छे से साफ करके यूज करो, so it's absolutely fine. Now सुनीपा is saying रात में खाने के लिए 5-6 ऑप्शंस दीजिए मैम. ओके, ऑमलेट, टोस्ट, सैलड एक था. अगर आप वेजिटेरियन हो, so you can make besan chilla instead of the egg whites. You use besan. If you are bored of besan, in the morning you can soak some moong dal and you can make a puree out of that moong dal. थोड़ा दही डालोगे, it will become a brilliant batter. All these are high protein options. I also love an option of chole with my ragi roti and a bowl of salad. So these are your options which you can have for dinner. Are berries, cranberries and prunes good? Strawberry, cranberry, अभी के लिए सीजन में cherries, they all are extremely good. But make sure किसी अब यहाँ पे in India, I don't know Parvati where are you from, but in India the berries we get or the prunes we get are generally the dried ones which are sugar coated. So they are not healthy. If you are getting fresh cranberry from somewhere and fresh prune from somewhere, why not? You add it in your breakfast. ठीक है? Fruit at night hikes up sugar if taken. Now here I need to tell you one thing. Fruit is not a dessert. Okay? Fruit cannot be had after a meal. When you have a fruit after a meal, you make sure that that is getting into your system as extra. And anything extra in your body, just like extra money we save, we convert it into a debenture, or you will convert it into gold. You will make sure you invest in stock market, but here investment happens only as fat. तो अगर आप extra fruit खा रहे हो, that also is going to be turned into fat. Fruit के लिए the best time is right now. Like I'm really hungry, I could do with a nice fruit. I think इधर ही है. Today you all have to tell me what should I have. Should I have an apple or should I have a plum? I think I'll have a plum for now. ना apple काटने then wax निकालने कौन बैठेगा? I know मैंने नहीं पूछा, मैंने नहीं किया because they are asking me so many questions right now. So fruit right now is okay. Half an hour or 1 hour before your dinner. That is the best time. कभी कभी ना उसकी वजह से dinner भी थोड़ा कम खाओगे. Okay, then I have Meet is asking me, what about Yakult? Does it help in better absorption? Why only Yakult? Meet, अगर हम दिन में अच्छे से खाना खाएंगे, if you're eating, yes, I'm eating plum, Parvati, right? So if I am Meet, if I am eating well and if my bacteria are coming from my dosa, see, Indian diet is full of it, okay? Your doklas, your dosas, your dahi, your buttermilk, you are surrounded by gut-friendly bacteria even otherwise. Now every day everyone asks about this Yakult, they ask about kombucha, they are all westernized. हमारे पास ही खूब सारी चीजें हैं, so Meet, it's perfectly fine. Now comes first time in the lockdown, I'm facing gas and it makes me feel miserable. Dhanya, don't tell me about it. A lot of cases in balanced nutrition are only and only GI disorders. These GI disorders are starting because what happens is when you were in office, okay, और अगर आप एक डब्बा कैरी करते थे, at that time your डब्बा had 2 rotis, 1 sabzi and you would nibble things from here and there. Now your lunch is more than 3 rotis. You are having sabzi, you are having a dal, you are having the chip, the papadam, the whatever pickle and etc, and you are having something sweet. So all of us with our activity coming down have started eating more food, and this is the reason the mess is happening. So yes, Danya, see what you're eating, cut out on food that is not required, and make sure that you are staying happy. You are giving enough time between and leaving a gap in your meals, and don't forget to have lots of water. Okay, as it is we are not going out, so as it is there is very less activity, and that less activity will lead us to this. ठीक है ना? I have need a session done. What else? Are there any other questions? Ragi upma recipe. Dimple, go to www.balancenutrition.in. BALANCENUTRITION. Balancenutrition.in. वहाँ पे just type ragi, you will get a lot of ragi recipes. Ragi upma, ragi omelette, ragi dosa, everything. Raw salad in rainy days gives you gas. Na Sejal, it doesn't. You have to always concentrate on your entire day का खाना. एक फूड से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. ओके, एक सैलड खाने से गैस नहीं होना है, एक याकुल्ट पीने से गट सुधरने वाला नहीं है. इट इज अ लाइफस्टाइल. सो इफ यू ईटिंग देन इन दैट केस, तो सेजल आस्क मी अबाउट केचप ना. केचप विल डू मोर बैड टू यू, राइट? नाउ आई हैव any other. Does including more fiber help in belly fat? I'm coming to belly fat. Okay, is it right to have Kellogg's or muesli in breakfast or anytime during hunger? You can have cereals. In fact, किसी ने मुझे oats भी पूछा था, Quaker oats or no. You can have cereals. In fact, my go-to food for my daughter also is cereals, and sometimes even when I am hungry, like in the evening, I prefer having a cereal over any fried food. But what we do is make your own cereal. So now this is a very important part of our life. आपको cereal आपकी खुद की बनानी है. आप पहले तो क्वेकर का प्लेन ओट्स लेके आओ. इट शुड नॉट हैव एनी फ्लेवर. ओके, नो स्ट्रॉबेरी ओट्स, नो पाइनएप्पल ओट्स, चॉकलेट ओट्स, कुछ नहीं, प्लेन ओट्स. देन यू बाय शुगर फ्री म्यूसली. इट कुड बी फ्रॉम एनी ब्रांड. Okay, brand that does not, the muesli when you taste it, it has to have no sugary thing. Okay, so blend these two. Buy 100 grams of chia seeds, डालो उसके अंदर. Buy 50 grams of halim or garden cress seeds. In Gujarati it is called asaria. It will give you lots of iron. So omega 3 डाला chia seeds का, fiber डाला. Now you are putting halim into it, which is called as garden cress seeds. These will again, as I said, give you iron. You put your choice of nuts, and you can have it in milk with a cut banana, a cut apple, so that you are eating the sugar also. So this kind of a cereal is a perfect one. Okay, at the age of 43, what best food chart we should follow? Parul, for that I think you should consult us once, because that is a very personalized thing. We have to see menopause, perimenopause, we have to see what the fat is, what the weight is, and then take a nice personalized diet chart. If we have early dinner and feel hungry, what should we eat at night? Rashmi, that depends on your lifestyle. At balancenutrition.in, we have air hostesses who sometimes get off the flight at 1:30 in the night and they are in US. At that time they are also hungry. So you have to make sure that आप सोने के 2 घंटे या 2.5 घंटे पहले एक अच्छा मील खाओ. You should never eat so early. If you are if you are sleeping at like 12:30, और अगर आप 7 o'clock को घर खाओगे, dinner खाओगे, then that doesn't work. Okay, you can't have such a long gap. All right, unless you are intermittent fasting, but then that's in that case also what I'll have to do is we'll have to give you carbs at regular intervals so that you don't feel hungry. Okay, and in case you feel hungry, Rashmi, I think it's like me. I'm not hungry, but I'm a muncher by nature. That is why I was 99 kilos myself. So जो munch करना था ना, for that make some air popped popcorn, make some makhana at home, not those ready. Keep an apple, keep some nice flavored tea. These are options which you should have, right? वो धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा. Initially when I used to have a packet of chips, I used to have a big bar of chocolate. Now it is slowly changed, right? Now Sakshi is asking what should be the percentage of protein and carbs in a thyroid diet. Sakshi, चावला ना, तो आप Indian लग रहे हो. For any Indian, okay, I am for any Indian, let me also put this, and majority of health disorders, your ratio of carbs should be 55%, which means a mixture of, अब ये carbs कौन से हैं, that is where we come in. Okay, we have to decide whether we will give you 40% complex carbs and 15 simple carbs, or we should make the ratio a little here and there. Okay, your protein should be about 25%. That also we have to decide whether it will be class 1, class 2, all of that. And your fat also, we will need to decide 15 to 20% fat may say how much of it should be monounsaturated, how much of it should be polyunsaturated, right? Why only protein at night is taken, as I'm doing 16-8 fast? Why are you eating only protein? Then you should not. You should eat some carbs because your fasting is too high nutrient. Something about arm fat. Vanshika, you know what? Arm fat, belly fat, thigh fat, all of this fat is not anyone telling you that, you know what, I'm going to make you reduce your arm fat, I'm going to make you reduce your thigh fat, I'm going to make you reduce your belly fat, is kidding. Weight loss happens overall. Fat loss happens overall unless and until you're going to a cosmetologist or a surgeon. They will reduce fat from there by cutting you or by doing a surgery on you. Oh, kya ho gaya? Or by doing a surgery on you. Okay, so this is with diet. You have to make sure that you are going to a qualified nutritionist who will make sure fat reduces from places where it's max. With experience, yes, we do it. Okay, then I have, can I have dessert once a week during my intermittent fasting? Why not? Why not? You can have a dessert. In fact, कौन सा dessert खाना है वो बताओ. We have very nice recipes. I think you should see the earlier IGTV videos. We have mango chia pudding in that and many others. Of course, you can have desserts. Okay, but please, I mean, if you're having dark chocolate cake or if you're having something like a jalebi, don't forget to follow the 2x rule I just explained to you, right? Can intermittent fasting help in post-pregnancy weight loss? Yes, it can, but not the Google wala. Okay, you have to make sure that आप अपने लिए अनी का एक diet chart लो. All right, and yes, I think almost all my questions are answered, but I had asked you all one question. Remember, how many of you have fat on the belly? Right or wrong? And most of you answered yes, right? So now if I can explain to you what about that fat and what are the ill effects. Sad it is, but there are lots of ill effects of having belly fat, right? Can you see when you sit, okay, your belly fat is constantly or is very closely placed to your heart, right? So anyone who has belly fat has a direct relationship to the cardiac diseases. All right, so the worst thing one can do is have fat around the belly. All right, also belly region has most important organs. Can you name those organs? It has the stomach, it has the liver. Liver is like the second heart of the body. Okay, liver ही सब करता है. Liver is the one that is breaking down your fat. Liver is the one that is breaking down your carbs. आपका constant energy supply liver ही तो करता है. Right or wrong, guys? So liver is again coming into pressure. Now your kidneys are coming into pressure, right? Your intestines are coming into pressure. So majority of the organs apart from the brain and the heart that run your body are there, and that is covered with fat. So that fat more than your weight is what will affect you and your quality of life. It starts with मेरा पहला question जो था, okay, it starts with you feeling tired after 2 floors. My second question was how many of you feel tired? That is symptom number 2. And when your belly fat then over a period of time increases or stays as it is, आपको धीरे धीरे acidity, IBS, blood sugar diseases, because liver के नीचे ही you have islets of Langerhans, the one that produces insulin, right? So then you have to make sure that the first thing you do is not say कल करते हो. Okay, you have to start acting on your health now. इतना टाइम पड़ा हुआ है हमारे पास. We are in lockdown. We are not eating too much of outside food. घर में we are getting packaged food which we can stop. We can eat simple, good, healthy, freshly made home food, and that is, I think, the best way we should be taking care of ourselves this lockdown, right? I have Anika who's asking me about post-pregnancy. Savreet and Anika, both of you, I want you to DM me. I'm going to help you both personally, right? And I think we have pretty much covered all questions. I am also saying a big bye to all of you because I have a family to feed here who is hungry and sitting right across the table and doing this to me. So while I make their food, I want you all to think and understand that tomorrow is never coming. It is today. So if you want belly fat to be reduced, do it today. Until then, it's a bye.